Maharashtra has now confirmed 2 more cases of Omicron variant in the state, after which the state's tally has reached to 10. With fresh cases of COVID variant in Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Delhi, the country's tally of Omicron infected cases has reached to 23. In Mumbai, the BMC on Monday started tracing more than 300 close contacts of a couple who have been identified as the first COVID-19 patients infected with the new Omicron variant. The Andheri-based couple were identified as asymptomatic COVID patients after the BMC started field surveillance of international passengers who landed in Mumbai between November 1 and 30. So far, the BMC has managed to trace 5 high-risk and 315 low-risk contacts of the couple. Amid the growing Omicron scare, Kalyan Dombivli Municipal Corporation Chief Vijay Suryavanshi on Monday said, 109 out of 295 recent foreign returnees of the township in Thane district were untraceable currently. On the other hand, a health department report disclosed that at least 1.55 crore residents of Maharashtra who are above 18 years of age and are eligible to get the vaccine against coronavirus are yet to receive even their first dose. The state has an estimated 9.14 crore residents above 18 years of age, and till now, the first dose has been administered to only 7.59 crore beneficiaries. The doubling rate as on Monday marginally improved and was 3,079 days on Monday. The city's recovery rate remained constant at 97% as 250 people recovered and were discharged during the day. In Goa, 5 people including 2 Russian nationals who arrived on board on a merchant navy ship were isolated after they tested COVID positive and their samples have been sent for genome sequencing. In Delhi, after pictures of overcrowded airports emerged and passengers complained of chaos at the airport, Union Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia asked the Delhi airport operator DIAL to improve crowd management. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal also urged people to not panic in the wake of detection of Omicron variant of COVID-19 in Delhi, but asked them to follow social distancing and use face masks to ward off the disease. Government hospitals in Gujarat have created special wards for patients diagnosed with the Omicron variant, reserving nearly 766 beds in major cities. A total of 127.93 crore vaccine doses have been administered till now in India under nationwide vaccination drive. The daily positivity was recorded at 0.94%, while the weekly positivity rate was 0.78%. Omicron, first detected in South Africa on November 25, has been described as the variant of concern by the WHO. International airports across India are intensively screening and testing all passengers from at-risk countries. In line with central guidelines, all passengers from such countries have to take RT-PCR tests on arrival. The test result has to be negative in order to leave the airport.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.